Okay, so welcome back to Basin Motorsports. Today I'm going to quickly show you how to replace the engine air filter in your CK, Chevy, GM truck, or Suburban. So now that you've got the engine open, you're looking for your air filter. On these models, the air filter is going to be on the passenger side or the right side of the vehicle towards the front headlight. So now when you're looking inside the engine bay, this will be your air filter box, and you'll notice it has 4 Phillips screws on the corners. This is going to be your overflow bottle for your radiator system. So with this, we want to take off these 4 screws, and it's just going to be a large Phillips or a flathead. Now as you're taking these off, you can take the screws out if you'd like to. It doesn't require it, and they are not captured. So if you do tilt the cap over too much, the screws will fall out. So just be cautious of that. Now once they're all 4 out, you can then kind of pull straight up and in towards the engine to get the filter out. You only need to tilt it up just enough to get the filter to come out. And then you can notice mine's starting to get a little dirty in there. So see how kind of gray and dingy it is? It's time to be replaced. Now there again is the new one going in, nice and fresh. Same thing, I'm going to lift up, tilt in, just to put the filter in. And when you're putting the filter in, double check that there's no material down below the filter itself. Maybe some dirt, rocks, grass, you never know what's in there. Go ahead and clean that out now. That way it doesn't try to continually suck up into the filter. So in order to put this in, again, you're going to tilt it back down, and you'll probably have to push it kind of down at an angle to get it to sit over top the new filter. Now in order to tighten these with a screwdriver, I recommend doing 3 partially, and then the 4th one doing it fully. The reason is the 3 you can do partially and all the way down. That leaves the 4th to tighten fully, and then you can go back through the others. And that helps you align it. That way it's easier to move about and get all the screws fixed and set in there before you tighten it all the way down. Okay, once your 4 screws are all the way in, the job is done. Pretty simple, huh? So that'll help you save a few bucks, maybe from getting your favorite oil change place to do it for you. You can now save a few bucks and do it yourself. So if you like these tips from Basin Motorsports, be sure to subscribe, like the video, and if you need anything on these, let me know in the comments. I'll do what I can for you. We'll see you next time.